Hello and welcome to our video on the importance of sleep for the body. We all know that sleep is essential for our health, but do you know why? In this video, we'll explore the science behind why we need sleep and what happens to our bodies when we don't get enough of it. So, let's get started. What happens when we sleep? Sleep is an essential function of the human body. It is during sleep that our body repairs and regenerates itself. When we sleep, our brain is busy consolidating memories, learning new information, and processing emotions. During this time, our body also releases hormones that promote growth and regulate our metabolism. The stages of sleep. Sleep can be divided into two main categories: rapid eye movement, REM, sleep, and non-rapid eye movement, NREM, sleep. During NREM sleep, our body repairs and regenerates itself. Our breathing and heart rate slow down, and our muscles relax.